Your gut is basically the gastrointestinal tract, starting from your mouth through to your stomach, the small intestine, the large intestines, ending at your anus. Inside your gut are certain microorganisms which are very key in helping your gut health. And these organisms are called gut microbiome. Now, why is the gut health very important? This is because it helps with digestion. The second one is absorption of nutrients to all parts of your body. The third one is your body's immunity. Research says that 70% of your body's immune system is directly linked with your gut health. And the next one is brain and mental health. There is a link between your brain and your gut, and this kind of link is called the brain gut axis. So this means that when something is wrong with your guts, it directly affects your brain. That is why sometimes you can feel moody and sometimes you feel unwell, and your mental health is affected when your gut is also being affected. So what are the signs that you notice when your gut isn't healthy? The first one is bloating. The second one is constipation and sometimes diarrhea, sometimes also fatigue and abdominal pains. So how do you improve your gut health? It is very important for us to know what you and I need to do in order to improve our gut health. The first one is eat more fiber diets, like a lot of whole grains and cereal. This kind of food tends to improve the gut microbiome. So the microorganisms in your gut will feed on this fiber. The next thing is you need to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. This one, there's nothing like an ideal fruit you need to eat. Any kind of fruit and vegetable that you are comfortable with, it is advisable for you to eat because it helps with your gut health. The next thing is probiotic food. Now, these probiotic food are certain kind of food that contains microbiome in themselves already. So when you take it, it helps to increase the number of the microorganisms inside your gut, and that will help your body's immune system and with digestion. You need to drink water regularly. This helps to improve the moisture and the state of your gut, and that helps with digestion and the rate at which food is being moved through your digestive system. So you need to be taking in water regularly. The next thing is reduce processed foods. Now, one thing is these processed foods contains additives and preservatives, and when you consistently take this kind of food, they reduce the potency of your gut microbiome. The microorganisms in your gut cannot thrive well with these kind of additives and these kind of preservatives. They need something natural. So this kind of processed food, you need to limit it in order to improve your gut health. The next thing I would want to say is you need to control your stress level. If you are one kind of person that is always stressed out, have it in mind that stress indirectly affects your brain. And just as I explained earlier, there is a connection between your brain and your gut health. So once your brain is indirectly affected, it can also affect your gut health. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.